Hi, in this video we'll see how to put textual data back together. In our case, we have obtained the first name and last name separately for our employee from a private company. So, now we want to have the full name in a new column. So, in the same cell I want to have the first name and the last name. And for sure, we want to have space between them to be readable. Also, then we can play and create an email for each of them. So for this, we will use the full name column. I will try to copy the format, so select this and format. And on the cell E2, we will write concatenate. So concatenate function help us to bring all the text from different columns together in one column. So we have concatenate in many arguments regarding text or character. So we will combine existing cells with some strings inserted by us. First will be first name, so column C. Then the next argument will be inserted by us under quoting, and we'll put space by hitting space from keyboard. Then the next argument will be the last name from column D. Now we are ready to have the full name of our employee. Hit enter and copy the formula till down. So now we have the full name in only one cell by using concatenate formula. We can do this also by using & character, so this one, and I will show you how. Equal first text that we want to concatenate, then we will put & and under quoting space, again & and last name. I will hit enter, and as you can see, I have obtained the same thing that concatenate function gives us. Okay, now let's copy paste value this type of information. I will erase the column because they are equal, and I will select here our cells, copy, right click and paste spatial values. And now we don't have the formula anymore. We only have the text in our cells. Now we want to create the email of each one. So for this, we'll put here private company text.com. Let's say sample private company.com. I don't know, and I hope that this doesn't exist. And we're gonna do like this. The format of the email will be first and last name, but with a point between them, with a dot. Okay, so equal first name, then & under quoting will give dot, again & last name, again ampersand, and now we only have to put our email. So on the quoting we have email character, okay, ampersand F1, and we'll freeze F1 by putting dollars and pressing F4 from keyboard and hit enter. As you can see, now we have the email for each employee.